Engineering at the Engineering Academy and to our new 3D animated tech video. Today we are taking a look at an inconspicuous but extremely important component from the world of high voltage technology, the Buchloz relay, the guardian angel of an oil-cooled power transformer. With the help of this 3D model, we explain how it works and why it is so important. Here we see our oil-cooled power transformer. The Buchloz relay is located in the pipe between the main transformer boiler and the oil expansion tank. Here you can first see the housing, which is usually equipped with two switching contacts inside and a terminal box on the top. The housing of the Buchloz relay is completely filled with transformer oil. There are two floats inside, similar to a water level regulator, one at the top, one at the bottom, which today are often designed with magnetic or reed switches. What happens if a fault occurs inside the transformer, for example a partial discharge, or if the transformer is overloaded? This produces gases that are lighter than oil. These gases rise in the direction of the Buchloz relay and displace the insulating liquid, that is the oil inside the relay, and collect at the top. If the amount of gas rises above a certain and previously defined level, the upper float lowers and a contact is closed. This is the first warning signal, an indication of a possible internal fault. As a rule, a warning message is sent to the operator of the system. If the oil level continues to drop, the second float is also lowered and its contact is actuated. This can then even be configured to trip the circuit breakers on the high and low voltage side in order to protect the transformer from further damage. If, on the other hand, a more serious fault occurs, that is a high current short circuit-like event inside the transformer, a rapid flow of oil occurs between the transformer and the expansion tank. This oil movement also passes through the Buchloz relay and hits a damper, which in turn actuates a switching mechanism. If this contact is activated, the Buchloz relay triggers an immediate switch off of the transformer, and the circuit breakers disconnect the system from the mains. The relay thus protects the transformer from further, more expensive consequential damage. As we can see, a Buchloz relay is not able to prevent a transformer fault, but in this case it protects the transformer from particularly severe damage by switching off quickly and reliably. The Buchloz relay works purely mechanically. It does not need an external power supply. This makes it extremely reliable. During regular maintenance, the presence of gas is checked. This gas can be analyzed in order to draw conclusions about the type of fault similar to a blood sample taken by a doctor. The relay is therefore not only useful in an emergency, but also for early fault diagnosis. The Buchloz relay is a small but crucial component for protecting large transformers. It detects problems at an early stage, and in an emergency, it disconnects the transformer from the grid at lightning speed and at all poles. If it is connected directly to the coils of the circuit breakers,